Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Now, we're going to start off with JPYX, the Japanese currency index. As we can see, it's in a clear bullish trend as prices created this high above this high. So it was a higher high, retrace, same low. Then prices broke that structure, creating a new higher high, retracement, higher low, higher high, higher low, breaking this structure and giving us a retest. So what I'm anticipating, it's what I was anticipating since last week, is I anticipated to see prices pump, excuse me, retrace and then continue once they break this structure, continuation until prices do reach here. Now we do see prices played out exactly how we anticipated it last week. Pumped, retraced, and then broke the structure. So next week, I'm obviously anticipating to see prices continue with the move, pumping all the way up there. Now, how will this be impacting the JPYX pairs? Obviously, we do have Euro JPY, where prices still haven't broken this structure here. So what I'm anticipating, or what I will be anticipating, is for a move to close below these lows, a minor retracement on the lower time frames, and then take the trade to sell all the way until down here. That's what I'm anticipating to see happen on Euro JPY next week. Now we do have CAD JPY. Prices with CAD JPY have already broken below here. Now, if we put it like that, you might even consider this as a retest. As you see here, we had rejections. However, prices still have not yet closed with a solid engulfing bearish candlestick. Now, however, if the markets do open with a bearish momentum, then we might be looking for a continuation, or prices might continue selling and obviously drop all the way until down here. So this is my view on CAD JPY, bearish for the coming week. Now, obviously, next week we do have a lot of factors in play. We do have a lot of fundamentals. As on Monday, Trump is officially being signed into office and all that, which I do expect a lot of volatility. USD JPY, you can see prices have already broken below here and given us a retest. We are analyzing according to structure, but on Monday, I do anticipate a lot of volatility, and it'll be wise if you don't take any trade on Monday. Maybe just hold what you already have. Now, with the dollar, obviously, we do remember what happened as Trump passed for president. It was crazy strong. It was crazy strong for weeks on end, right? Now, once he's signed into office, I do believe it will have the same effect on the dollar. So I do believe the dollar will continue being bullish. As of now, we can see it's already bullish. Once tomorrow comes, I do believe prices will continue being bullish. Now, that's my anticipation, or that's my view on the market, because the dollar was crazy bullish last time he was signed. He passed the elections, and now it's time he's being signed into office, and I do believe it will have the same effect on the dollar. However, not just that on the fundamental side, but even on the technical side, we do see prices are on a bullish trend, which is weird because the JPYX and the DXY are never on the same trend. However, I believe after tomorrow, one will actually go the other direction. Which one will it be? Only Lord knows. The market knows. So we'll see how it goes, but this is my view. I do believe prices will keep on being bullish and it will keep pumping. I do already have trading or trades running with some of the dollar affiliated pairs. I was comparing the two between Euro JPY and Euro USD, Euro GBP USD and Euro USD. As you can see, it's in a clear bearish trend. Prices came back, retested, and I was like, after this crazy bearish engulfing, I was like, okay, let's just take it. We did take it, and we are now still in very low profits. Same thing with GU. We are now floating at about 50 pips, still very low profits. We took it after prices broke this structure, gave us a retest, and that bearish engulfing, we took the trade, and we're still floating at low profits, and we'll see how it goes. I'm anticipating to see a continuation. Same thing with Euro USD, and that's my view on the pairs of dollars. With gold, obviously, you can see here prices are crazy in a range, as prices have been ranging in between these two ranges. Now, what do I anticipate to see, or what am I anticipating to see? Come tomorrow, I do believe prices will retrace all the way until somewhere here. As you see, this zone has been strong for a while. Once prices reach, retrace. Prices reach, retrace. Prices reach, just falls and falls. So that's what I anticipate to see happen or play out in gold this coming week. A strong bearish move all the way until somewhere down here. So that's my view on the market for this coming week. If you found it valuable, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with a few friends that will also find value in this breakdown. So till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Cheers.